If you're experiencing billing problems with your Revolut account, follow these steps to resolve the issues effectively. This guide will help you navigate through common billing concerns. Step 1. Identify the problem. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Check transaction history. Log into your Revolut app and review your transaction history. Look for any discrepancies or unauthorized transactions. This will help you gather information needed for further action. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you find an issue that needs addressing, reach out to Revolut's customer support. You can do this through the app by navigating to the help section and selecting chat with us. Provide them with all the details regarding your billing problem. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response or resolution, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of your communication and any reference numbers provided. Persistence can help expedite the resolution process. Step 5. Review account settings. After resolving the issue, review your account settings to prevent future billing problems. Check your payment method, subscription settings, and notification preferences to ensure everything is set up correctly. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems you encounter with your Revolut account. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance through official channels.